today we are going to bake, and we are going to do a very simple recipe of cake. It's called a clafoutis. It's something very, I will say, usual to see that on the menu, on the bistro, in the restaurant in Paris. We need at least 700 grams of fruits. So you can do pineapple, you can do apple, but normally in France we use cherry when it's the season. So we are going to have need 6 eggs. We need 90 grams of sugar. We need 200 grams of flour, just a little pinch of salt, 250 ml of milk. We will need butter for the pineapple, but also as well for the pan to do the chemisé. Chemisé means that you put butter and then after either flour or sugar on it. So in this case we'll use sugar. And then I have this very nice rum here from the Barbados Island plantation. It's a rum who French people doing. But it's with pineapple also as well, so that's perfect for our pineapple. Okay, but I'm seeing I have something in my oven, so I have to bring it out first. Oh, regardez-moi ça. This is I'm doing some bread actually. This is my sourdough bread. Very nice. A little bit hot, but I want to make sure. Somebody tell me that we need to hear the noise. Oh, it smells good. Okay, we'll leave it here. Just rest a little bit. Okay, so we'll start. So first of all, we'll saute a little bit of pineapple. Usually your fruits, you don't need to do that, but the pineapple here, it's like a lot of juice inside. So for this recipe, I prefer to saute it a little bit, and I will flambe it with a rum. So for that, we need a Teflon pan. For equipment later, we need this nice pot. This is Pyrex, so simple. This can go to the oven, so you can easily do your cake here. We need a mixing bowl here, and then a sieve. We need a brush, and then a whisk to mix everything. So I will add a little bit of butter there. So that's for the pineapple. Just need to saute it a little bit only. Okay, the rest will be for the. So when the butter is melted, before the coloration, we just add the pineapple. If you have no need to add sugar, it's enough. If you have vanilla beans, you can add it there, it will be fantastic. So usually you don't have to do that with the cherry, with any fruit, just with the pineapple. There's a lot of juice there, so it will be much better. Especially if you have kids, you should not put too much alcohol inside your cake, but luckily we don't have kids here, so we'll flambe it. So what you do for flambe is like you make sure that your fire is full there, and then you put it on the side like that, and then easily like that. Very simple. Voilà. So we'll let it cook a little bit more. So now we'll mix our dough. So what do we need for that? So first of all, we'll put the sugar. Then the salt. Then we'll mix this one. Then we'll add the eggs. You remember my eggs, I break it one by one in a smaller container and then add it on this one, just to make sure that there's no shell going there. So we'll put everything there and we'll mix it with the sugar and the salt. And we'll mix it until the whole mixture become a little bit white. We call it blanchir. It's important to mix properly because it will give you some air inside the mixture, so it will help for your cake to rise. I put already my oven on at 220. Okay, it's already on, it's already hot, so ready to bake. So now I will put a little bit of my milk and the flour. So what you can do is like you can sieve the flour, so it will be easy for you to mix after. And then we'll mix slowly. Make sure that everything is mixed properly. I will add my milk. Up. If you are not sure, so this is the eggs, sugar, flour, a little bit of salt, and then the milk. Everything is there. So if you are not sure about the mixture properly, what you can do is like, yeah, we need a little bit of coloration. What we can do, we can pass it also as well, just like that, to your sieve. Just to make sure that everything is there. You see, sometimes the flour is not mixed properly, so just pass it and it should be fine. Voila. So your mixture is finished. Pineapple is ready. So what we'll do is like we'll put the pineapple here. Okay. And we'll wait until it's getting cold. Our pineapple are already sauteed, a little bit cooled down. Okay, so it's like not hot anymore. So what we are going to do is like chemiser our mold. So we get the butter and then we just put it like that. Okay, the idea is to put it everywhere, especially on the corner and then on the side. So it's quite fast here in the Philippines to melt the butter because it's so hot. Okay, so we put everywhere, not too much, just to make sure everywhere. Okay, right there. Then a little bit of sugar. So I'm trying to do. See. I'm going to put the pineapple. Try to put it everywhere. And we'll add first, and then we'll put all the rest of the pineapple. So it's like 700 grams, more or less. And then we'll add all the liquid. Here we go. So this one is ready to be baked now. So we are going to put that in the oven at 220 degrees, okay, during almost like 30 minutes, something like that. But do not just put it there and then wait for 30 minutes. Put your alarm every 15 minutes. Like I said, the oven is all different at home. I know my oven, but not all of you have the same oven. So I know that it's 30 minutes. But it might change, depends of the oven. So please 220 degrees during 30 minutes, and then check every 10-15 minutes just to make sure that you don't burn your cake. So I'm going to put that in the oven now. Right there. See you in 30 minutes. Look at that. This is perfect. Okay, so this is the clafoutis. So what I do, this is like almost 30 minutes, a little bit more than 30 minutes. What I will do is like I will just put some sugar on top like that. Okay. So that's a very nice recipe. It's very simple. This recipe is my dad's recipe. It's called the clafoutis. We used to do that quite almost every Sunday. It's a good recipe. He used to do that just to make us happy. So it reminds me a lot of things, especially now that he's alone at home. And then I hope it's all okay, and then all of you are very good during this hard time. So please enjoy clafoutis. Thank you. À bientôt. Bye.